Well, I'm coming down to Spear Hospital to the main entrance where they're supposed to have the exhibition from the veterans stuff. So we're going to go inside, see if we can find it. There's the main entrance up there. Okay, let's get through the parking lot here and see what's going on here. Well, you got some nice flowers here. There's the main entrance there. Okay, we're going to go check it out here. All right. Well, here's the exhibition here of the veteran stuff. Oh, let's see who this guy is. Evidently. I got my name on the wall painted on there. Wow, look at that. I'm impressed. I'm impressed here, yeah. There we go, there's some of the other ones. Look at some of these in here. And this one down here, I made that one. I remember that one, except they don't have it oriented right. It's supposed to be oriented the other way, but I guess they thought that was the sun, but it's actually the sun setting and it turns on the other side there. And that's supposed to be rocks and a waterfall, so if you looked at it that way, well, you'd see it a little better, but that's okay, that's okay. And there's some of the other ones that the people made. That one turned out good. When you use those sticks, it makes it a lot easier because they don't melt goofy or anything. They stay the same color. And this one here. All right, I have to get back up now. All right, let's look at the other cabinet. A lot of reflection. That was somebody in my class. They did a good one on that with that color. That one turned out good. And there's also something with the clear glass there too. This one here, I think that's the one I made. I think 23. Let's see. Yeah, but that one's oriented wrong. But you can see my name in the back there. It's supposed to be tilted the other way, but that's okay. And I wish there was somebody here that had the keys to this. If they could open it up, they could show that. But that one, you can. There's a reflection. You got a lot of reflections in here, so it's gonna be hard to see. So yeah, I made these too. That one turned out, yeah, that was a bomb. That didn't turn out good. That one, it's not bad. Like I said, when you put sunlight behind it, it's a little bit better then. So I got quite a few in here. And these are, I guess, other people in my class that might have made those. Those turned out pretty nice there. That one turned out nice. I like that one. And these are all mine down here. Like I said, not a whole lot you can see there because the way the light is. But this one is supposed to be the B-2 bomber on there. But anyhow, yeah, my nose is running here. So yeah, pretty good. I have to admit it there. Yeah, let me stand back up here. And we come back over here. And yeah, there it is. Glass art, military wellness here. It's pretty good. You can stop the video if you want to read that. And then we come over here and we have all the people. This still works. Look at this guy here. Evidently. There we go. All right. Very good. Oh, we got pictures around here too. Paul Stankard. Maybe I'll be in the pictures. No, I wasn't in the furnace room there. I was in the other room. Oh, this is the stuff. That wasn't me. That was somebody else on that one. And yeah, this was in our class. My chair was that one right there, but I'm off somewhere cutting glass in the background there. So, and there's where we put our stuff inside of the thing there. But yeah, this is pretty good. They really did a nice job here on this here. Yeah, the whole thing here. All right.